Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, money still feels tight? Like you're doing everything right, paying bills, saving what you can, but somehow you're not getting ahead, you're not alone, and more importantly, you're not stuck. Today, we're going to talk about 5 powerful lessons from the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Lessons that have helped millions of people rethink money, build wealth, and take control of their financial future. This isn't about getting rich overnight. This is about thinking differently, so you can live differently. Let's begin. Lesson 1. The rich don't work for money. Most of us were raised with one idea: go to school, get a good job, work hard, and you'll be financially secure. Sounds reasonable, right? But here's the shift. The wealthy don't just work for money, they make money work for them. Instead of trading time for a paycheck forever, they focus on building systems that generate income, even when they're not working. Think about it this way. If you stop working today, does your income stop too? If the answer is yes, then your money is still controlling you. The goal is simple, but not easy. Build income streams that don't depend entirely on your time. That could be investments, rental income, or even a small side business. Start small, but start thinking differently. Lesson 2. Understand the difference between assets and liabilities. This is one of the most important ideas in the entire book, and many people get it wrong. Most people think, a house is an asset, a car is an asset. But Kiyosaki simplifies it in a powerful way. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out of your pocket. So, that expensive car with monthly payments, that's a liability. A rental property that pays you every month, that's an asset. Here's the honest truth. Many people spend years buying things that look impressive, but slowly drain their wealth. If you want to change your financial future, shift your focus. Buy more assets. Reduce unnecessary liabilities. Before any purchase, ask yourself, will this make me money or cost me money? That one question can change your life. Lesson 3. Mind your own business. Now this one might sound strange at first. You already have a job. So what does mind your own business mean? It means this: your job pays your bills, but your business builds your wealth. Even if you work full-time, you can still build something on the side. Investing in stocks, starting a small online project, buying rental property, learning a new skill that generates income. The idea is not to quit your job overnight. The idea is to slowly build something that belongs to you. Because at the end of the day, your employer's business makes them rich. Your business makes you rich. That's a shift many people ignore and regret later. Lesson 4. The rich learn financial education. They don't avoid it. Let's be honest. Most of us were never taught about money in school. We learned math, but not how money really works. And as adults, many people avoid financial topics because they feel confusing or uncomfortable. But here's the truth. Avoiding money problems doesn't solve them. Understanding money does. The wealthy take time to learn how taxes work, how investments grow, how debt can be used wisely, how businesses operate. You don't need to become an expert overnight, but you do need to stay curious. Read a little, learn a little, ask questions, because every step you take in financial education gives you more control over your life, and control is what most people are really looking for. Lesson 5. Don't let fear and doubt stop you. This might be the most human lesson of all. Even smart, capable people stay stuck, not because they lack ability, but because they're afraid. Fear of losing money, fear of making mistakes, fear of starting too late. And then there's doubt. What if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? Here's the reality. Everyone makes mistakes with money at some point. Everyone feels uncertain when trying something new. The difference is, Successful people act anyway. They take small steps. They learn from mistakes. They keep moving forward. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need perfect knowledge. You just need to start. Even one small action today is better than waiting another 5 years. Closing, calm, encouraging tone. Let's bring it all together. These 5 lessons aren't just ideas, they're choices. 1. Stop working only for money. Start making money work for you too. Focus on assets, not just expenses. 3. Build something of your own. 4. Keep learning about money. 5. Don't let fear hold you back. You don't have to change everything overnight. But if you take even one of these lessons seriously and apply it consistently, your future can look very different from your present. And that's the point.